Yo, check it. Yo, I was in my...
listen,
wait,
Mr. Showtime talking. We just got our ass whooped to
let go. Worm. Bet. See, I was in my crib, minding my own business. So when I get a call, snatch, I'm like, what the fuck is this? They ain't talking about, I ain't gonna say no name. I was like, I'm gonna do something random move serious, Jones. But we all know, sorry, ain't gonna be a serious Jones. You a bitch. I slap you to very
Arabian ass.
He's like a bitch.
Don't fit on the camel. You bum ass nigga.
You know why the cameraman? Cause his face is too damn ugly to be on TV. The fuck is that?
Yeah, let's see that cameraman face. Let's see the cameraman face. Let's see the cameraman face. Oh shit, you're ugly. It's like an ugly ass nigga.
Yo, Nuki! Yo!
You smelling mad shit. You smelling mad shit, Nuki.
I smell something stealing. I'm stealing your mom's.
Super stealing your mom's right now. Softies. All y'all niggas
my room.
On my shit, nigga.
In bed. You bum ass nigga suck my dick. You bum ass. What's up my mom? Yo, you know what? Suck my dick, Shinari. Yeah.
Suck my whole dick, Nuki. Suck my whole dick.
It is super cold outside. Listen, I'm telling you. It's super cold. It's like below zero. Mr. Showtime is freezing his ass off. He's not getting lunch.
You ain't talking about mama. I told your mother boy had a guy driving named Spanky. You bum ass nigga.
Your mother's a cracker named Smokey selling socks on 34.
I told your mother got no legs, so much she gonna hop the train. You bum ass nigga.
The mother got no fingerprints over. I want to press charges. Let's go.
Nah, but they spitting on pizza.
They got no money to work.
They trying to
Mr. Showtime here, cut this shit off.